Eris, what is that?
Stingray.
Stingray? What's he doing?
Did Parker see the fish?
Yeah.
Did Tucker see the fish?
Tucker, did you see
I
the
see
fish?
him.
You see the big
Is
fish?
he swimming around? Does he got polka dots?
Down to see that.
You want to go back and see the wolf and the prairie dogs?
Are you ready to go home? I think the prairie dog. He's gonna lick his paw.
What's it doing?
I don't know. What is he doing? Swimming? He's saying, hi, Eris. Say,
Is that a big fish?
adios.
He got a whooping snake.
Oh, he's eating a snake?
No, he's fighting a snake.
Oh, he's fighting a snake? Fight, 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 fight.
He likes the snake.
Oh, they're friends now? Okay, say adios.
Adios.
Hasta luego.
It's a
Little kiss.
spicy my too.
Bye, Stingray Tube.